Hi, I'm Roberto Musso, I'm the Technical Director at NDI, and I'm here at InfoComm 2026, where we are showing new feature coming with NDI 6.4. One of the most interesting features are two new API that will be part of the free SDK. The first API is the possibility to save an NDI stream into a file. The file format is the Matroska container, and then the second API will allow you to play back this file and the file will contain video, audio, and the metadata. So this is the example of the NDI file playback, where we play back the video, but simultaneously we can have an application that is reading the metadata information on the stream. This is very interesting because this is opening a variety of use cases in sport production, in virtual set, etc., etc. And this again will be part of the free SDK in NDI 6.4. So if you are interested to learn more, just visit our website www.ndi.video. Thank you.